Welcome to the WiseGuy channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video and watch it together. All right, welcome to or back to the WiseGuy channel. Now this morning we're going to fix this cabinet side that basically I just tore up on accident with a basically tempered glass freezer shelf. Put all these little scratches in it, right? Okay, now which gave me the opportunity to show you if you have dark color furniture like what's in my house, right? But I got the dark mocha and black, right? Oh man, this is the quick, easy way to fix all those ugly little scratches within seconds, right? And at the same time, you're polishing your furniture. Yeah, within seconds. So with that being, well, in fact, let me mention this, right? I don't know why I did this, right? In the beginning, because it was down there by the toe kick, right? The very lowest area of the kitchen cabinet. I was using this little tripod, so bear with me. It's like the first minute, right, when I'm repairing that scratch, right? And then I go back to my normal way of doing things, right? Just holding the iPhone and going at it. So with that said, let's get into the video and show you how to repair scratches. Things on a, a mocha finish or a dark finish, right? Using things like, all right, got this thing down by the, just some pledge. And this is flavor, right? Just a little wax, right? A piece of paper towel, right? And a marking pin. Now, a lot of people know, right, to use the marking pin, but most people don't know this, right? So what we're gonna do is take some of this, hold on, see that? I'm squirting this, okay, I got it all down low, right? Good. And then, what you have to do, because that marker will just, I don't know, it's kind of like a little purpley, right? It'll really make a mark that'll stand out just as bad. Okay, so you throw a little wax on it first, right? Then you take your marker, okay? Very carefully, only putting it in the area that needs it. All right? Okay, I'm going to also touch up this right here. Okay? Gonna detail it up real nice. Okay? And then because you sprayed this already, all right? And then see these over here, right? And hopefully everything's gonna come out good, right? Okay, we're gonna also touch those up so it looks real nice. Okay, and then you see what's happening, right? It's removing the excess. See how it's all purpley? Okay, and that's how you touch up dark colors with a felt pen. So I was saying, right, last but least, we'll take a look at it since we're here, right? And we're gonna touch up just everything, right? Look at that. So we got those, right? Got another one right there. Since we got the stuff out, okay? All right, so now what I'm gonna do, because this panel, right? Hey, it's gonna love having a little wax on it. So we're just gonna, okay, make sure I got basically just a light squirt on it. Okay. All right. All right. Now I take your felt pen. And if you're wondering why I just didn't blast it down there, I didn't want to get the floor all messy, right? Okay. All right, so we just put it on a little bit of paper towel. And then keep in mind, see all that purple stuff? Yeah, you know. All right, so now we're gonna come over here. All right, I'm gonna touch that one up. Okay, I'm gonna see that one right there. I'm gonna touch that one up. Okay, go ahead. All right, and then, right away, kind of remove the excess, right? Because that stuff, right, just shows up all purple. Okay, then we got that little dot right there. Gonna go ahead. All right, and remember, this is dedicated to Miss WiseGuy. If she's out there watching it, because she thought this was important. Let's put a little squirt right there. All right, you gotta put the wax on it, right? It kind of prevents it from getting a purple spot. Okay, so now let's take a look. All right, I'm up against the refrigerator, so okay. Now this is also because Miss WiseGuy. There's that little thing we had, basically the tripod. Okay, we got that right there. She was very detail oriented. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. Okay, and she would, when I was remodeling, she would want everything done nice. Okay. And I would basically always put 110% out. All right. Okay, so see that right in there? Gonna get that right there. And it was the same thing with my clients. If you guys go on the WiseGuy channel, you'll see that we had the cabinet shop. All right. Okay, gotta be careful of this one right here. Oh, in fact, we get to just peel that off. It's just paint. Okay. There. All right, now let's just go ahead and wipe that off and we'll show you what it looks like. I just use paper towel, right? Gonna wipe it off. Okay. Now, if I was doing my whole kitchen, I'd use a micro soft rag. And this is very important. This is what you want to do always, okay? With all your, basically, call it furniture and wood products around your house that you purchased. Just use a little pledge on it. Okay, now, I don't know if you see that one right there. Let's keep care of that one. Okay, all we gotta do is, all right, let's make sure. Okay, that's actually a nick. All right, let's fix that one. Remember, trying to be very detail oriented. Okay, I'm gonna take a, oh no, this one's a stubborn one. See how I ground that in there? Okay. Okay, we got this one up here, see? Oh, no, that's gonna be another little doozy. Just eat. Okay. All right, and we'll step back and show you what it looks like. Okay. All right. Take a look. See how that? All right, that would be, if you didn't use the wax trick, that would just be all over your basic cabinet or piece of furniture. Another one. Jeez, yeah, I'll tell you something. Miss WiseGuy, she used to catch this stuff. Here. All right. Oh, it's still there. Look at that. You gotta just blast it in there. Yeah, if you didn't basically use that wax trick, all right, I'm telling you, you have a big mess. Okay, let's see. All right, since we're just really detailing this guy up. In the kitchen, this by the refrigerator. All right, so, it's getting beat up. I'll give you another look. Oh, does that look nice? All right, so if you're out there watching it, Miss WiseGuy, this is dedicated to you. Oh, what do you think? Huh? Take a look. Huh? Did it come out nice? Well, what does that mean? What it is? Really? Because it's near your jerky? Huh? Is that what it is? Okay? You know I'm working. Hey, what are you trying to tell me? Oh, do you think it came out nice? Huh? Oh, I think you want what's inside that cabinet, don't you? Huh? Well, what do you think? Let's get back to the job, huh? Huh? Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, you knew I was messing with. Yeah, did you? Okay. Hey, like always, we want to thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. I want to thank you for watching the video, and please, we could use your help. Hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.